shortly. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we want to move some big hedge shrubs, bushes, whatever you want. This is the easiest way. These have been in 3+ years. We want to keep them alive. This is the easiest way of getting them out of the ground. You need to dig with a little shovel like that, ideally, around about a foot away, all the way round, and quite deep as well. And these shrubs go in like a bowl shape underneath, hedge shrubs. Then what you need to do, when you've dug all the way around like I have, you can see, it's like, virtually like a moat, is get your hose and literally soak it until it floods the area. The reason for doing this is that you've got all these little roots here, there, that's stuck in the soil, and even though it's quite wet, and we're in January time, it is quite dry under there, so soak it, leave it sort of 20 minutes, yeah, and you're sure to lift this shrub out. Now this was stuck solid a few minutes ago. I won't to lift it all out because I'll need a hand with it, but I just want to show you the result.
Yeah.
And I might to get it out. There we go. And that's literally by, you see what I was saying about all the roots that come with it. Yeah. And it's just common sense really, wetting the soil it's in. Anyway.
It's quite a substantial hedge plant, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite big and we want to keep it. So.
And we want to do something in the garden with them, move them around. If you look over there, we've already taken 3 out.
They're in pots and water.
Same method. You can see we've taken them out there, exactly the same method. So it does work. Plenty of water, little spade, sort of a foot from the plant all the way around. Dig deep, and you probably want to go a couple of feet down. Remember, it's like a bowl, this. So you can go round and loads of water will just lift out.
You need to keep as much of the roots possible.
Yeah,
you
don't
like
want
that.
it to die.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in a minute what we'll do, we'll put these big things,
Called flexi tubs, aren't
flexi tubs. You can get them from anywhere, Screwfix, you name it, anywhere. You'll need 2 of you.
60-litre version. You can get them 40,
Yeah,
60,
these
something
were
like that.
home base, and to be honest, the cheapest about, they were 5 quid, 6 quid I think they were. Obviously you'll need to put a hole in the bottom for drainage.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it works perfect. And then when you want to move it again, you can just drag it around.
Yeah.
It'll protect it from the frost as well, just bear that in mind.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope this helps somebody if they're trying to move some established 3-4 year old hedge plants without killing them.